Boom, what's going on, you guys? I'm here with Dan McAuley. How you doing, brother?
Doing very good.
Heck yeah, man. Heck
yes,
yeah.
sir.
How has the training been for you?
It's been phenomenal. Great instruction, and just super well done, hands-on information.
What were your thoughts coming? Well, thank you for that. No, it's something we take pride in, man. What were your thoughts coming into the course?
I was pretty nervous.
Yeah.
Full transparency, but I was super stoked.
Yeah.
This is all stuff I've wanted to learn for a while, so it's just been cool to learn it from people who have done it and hear experience and hear stories of what really has happened and how this can be applied.
Heck yeah, man. What's your overall experience level coming into this?
Very basic.
Heck yeah.
Some firearms, but very minimal.
Good. Do you feel like, which is kind of my favorite, man, because it shows, it can show what the instructor staff can really do. We got a guy out here who is his first time touching the rifle. A pistol, and he's out here hitting targets, shooting, moving. I'm so proud of how far he's come. So with that basic kind of experience, how do you feel about, have you seen an improvement? How do you feel about what you've gotten from this?
I've seen a huge improvement, especially with driving, and then with firearms, just getting more familiarized with different moves and drills and whatnot. So, yeah, great growth.
Heck yeah, bro. Heck yeah.
Absolutely.
Do you think it's worth the investment? Do you feel like you get your money's worth?
Absolutely, 100%. Yes, sir.
No, that's awesome. What do you think was your favorite part of this training?
My favorite part's been the firearms.
Yeah.
I really like pistol work, so that's just been super great to learn more.
Awesome. What are your aspirations? What do you want to do?
I'd love to just continue in security and just help protect people.
Heck yeah, bro. Professional protector. And where are you based out of?
I'm based out of Colorado Springs.
Colorado Springs. Look out, man. We got a new one coming at you. Heck yeah, man. Finally, I would say, what would you say to someone who is on the fence and is like, I don't know if I should go or not. It's like watching the videos, because it looks intense, and it is intense, but what they don't see is that we get you to the level to be able to execute at that level in a short amount of time. But what would you say to someone who's on the fence and a little worried about it, kind of where you were?
If their concerns are finances, it's absolutely worth it. You get far more than your money's value. So it's just, and then the connections that you grow. Yeah. I would say it's absolutely worth it, time-wise, financially, all of it. So
that's awesome, man. Well, dude, it's been an honor training with you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Looking forward to doing more. You guys have been your group, man. You guys have been standing out as some of our best students in this class. So I'm really excited to bring you into the Brotherhood later on today.
Appreciate it.
And do some awesome things for the world, man.
Sounds good.
Let's go. Boom. Boom. If you want to get into the executive protection industry or take your career to the next level, go to epspecialist.com to get in the game. Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. See you at epspecialist.com. Let's train together.